For the first time, the Sorento is available with Kia's latest DriveWise Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, ADAS. DriveWise embodies Kia's philosophy to create intelligently safe vehicles with active safety technologies designed to avoid or mitigate the effects of collisions. The new driver attention warning (DA) system combats distracted or drowsy driving. The system monitors a number of inputs from the vehicle and the driver. It sounds a warning chime and displays a graphic in the instrument binnacle if it senses a lapse in concentration from the driver. In Europe, driver fatigue is believed to be a key factor in up to a quarter of all fatal traffic accidents across the continent. The USA's National Highway Traffic Safety Administration conservatively estimates that 100,000 police-reported crashes are the direct result of driver fatigue each year. In the USA, this results in an estimated 1,550 deaths and 71,000 injuries annually. Other new safety features available on the Sorento include lane keeping assist system, high beam assist, and full LED headlamps with dynamic bending light. These new technologies make the Sorento one of the safest cars in its class.